So good so far. We're having good time. Thank you very much for the population because since we're here, they show us love, and the good thing I will say, and I hope to see Ethiopia doing well for the next African nation, the future of the African Nation Cup. Def- Definitely, you deserve it. You deserve it. If you see the population, the people, you love football, you love sport, and this is a country of sport. If you see the past of Africa, Ethiopia used to be all the time here, and you deserve you deserve it to have the African Nation Cup soon. And myself, I support you, and I think so all legend as well. They're gonna support you guys.